this, 2 shower heads. Who doesn't want 2 shower heads in their house? Awesome. I'm Shane Setter from Royal LePage Wheeler-Sham. We're out here in Brookswood. We're gonna look at this fabulous 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom basement entry home. It is turnkey ready. Walk in. The list of updates are endless. We have brand new paint inside and out. We have a roof that is less than 10 years old. Water tank that's been recently replaced. Brand new perimeter drain. Professionally landscaped yard. You walk outside and you come into this freshly surfaced deck that overlooks 8,200 square feet of backyard. Amazing! You have 1 bedroom downstairs, large family room, bathroom upstairs. You have 3 bedrooms, bathroom, beautiful open concept kitchen with a gas fire range. What more can you ask for in a place like this? I'm Shane Setter from Royal LePage. Give me a call, book an appointment. This place won't last long.